I'm born to run, 'cause it's all I ever wanted, and there ain't no other option but the door. I'm born to run, like a rabbit from a lion, with thunder chasing lightning. I'm born to run. Don't let one more second go.
Happy 7th birthday!
I'm born to run. I'm gonna find my way. Yeah, yeah. I'm born to run. I'm born to run.
Ito kasing si Panrich, ako yung tito na bully. Lagi ko siyang inaasar. Pero kahit lagi kaming nag-aasar, nag-aaway, close kami nito. Best friend kami nito, di ba? Kaya nga tuwan-tuwa ako kasi dumating to dito si Panrich, 2 years old. So, since magkatabi lang kami ng bahay, lagi kami magkasama nito, talagang naging close na kami. Tapos, nakikita ko na talagang napakagaling ang talino nitong bata na to. Di ba? Para sa akin niya, accelerated siya yung utak niya ng 2 years, parang ganun. So, since lagi kami magkasama, lahat ng mga natutunan niya sa akin galing yun. Di ba? Di ba, Patrick? 1 plus 1? 2. No! I told you, Magellan na. Joke lang po, joke. So, yun na po. So, kung ano man yung mga wish nila para sa'yo, yun na rin yung wish ko para sa'yo. Okay?
Happy birthday, Henrich! You're my best friend in school. We just want you.
Happy birthday, Henrich. I hope you grow. I hope and pray you grow in God's love and continue going to church.
Open up my eyes and see the sunrise. Every day's a gift and it makes me.
Therefore, turn on our video as we welcome our celebrant, Henry!
So alive, so alive, so alive, so alive.
So happy birthday. God bless you with happiness, good health, and enjoy. Okay, always. Happy birthday, happy birthday, my nephew.
So alive, 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 so alive.
Lagi ka magpa-pray to God because that's the only things that, iiyak ako. Kasi yung prayers natin kay God, ay yun yung unang bagay para ma-fulfill natin yung dreams natin na maging pilot. Okay?
Happy birthday, Henrich, my dear friend. I hope you grow with love from God, and I wish you a happy birthday.
Hi Henrich, happy 7th birthday. We are so proud of you because you are growing up being so smart, talented and full of potential.
Anyway, I love you, son. And I pray and I wish you that you fulfill your dreams in life. And always remember that Papa is always here for you. I love you and I always support you. Whatever your dreams in life, Papa will be in your side all the time. Okay? Thank you so much and happy birthday. This is for you.